Good morning. So today I will explain you the meaning and objective of accounting. What is accounting? What is the need of accounting? See, all the businessmen at the end of the year they want to know the end product of their business. They want to know that they earn the profit or they are not in profit, they are not earning the profit. They want to know that whom they have to pay, from whom we have to collect the money, what is the position of assets and liabilities, and for all these things, they have to keep all the business transaction at one place in a systematic order. And for keeping all the business transactions in a systematic order, this is called the process of accounting. Okay, so now we will discuss about the meaning of accounting. See, accounting is the art of recording. We have to record all the business transactions in a chronological order. That means date wise. As the transactions are taking place in your business, you have to record in one book which is called journal. Second is accounting is the art of recording and classifying. After recording all the transactions, we have to classify the transactions. That means all the transactions which are having the same nature, like all the transactions are related to the purchase of goods, will be recorded at one place. All the transactions which are related to the sales, that will be recorded at one place. So we have to classify all the transactions in different categories. Okay, then summarizing, that means then we have to find out the profit and loss with the help of some statements. We have to prepare trading account, we have to prepare profit and loss account so that we can find out the profit. Come to the next point, it is given in a significant manner and in terms of money. Now, what is the meaning? What is in terms of money? See, a businessman is running a business. He is having some goods at its shop. He is having some furniture. He is having like air condition, too many things. But he will never record all these things in quantity. He will record all these things in terms of money. He will calculate the money. He will calculate the value of furniture in money. He will calculate the value of assets in money. Then he will record it. But it is a very simplest manner. We cannot write the quantity of the goods. We have to convert them into money. Okay. Then it's transaction and events which are at in part at least of a financial character. The question is, should we record all the transactions in the business? क्या हमें सारे ट्रांजेक्शन रिकॉर्ड करने चाहिए? The quarrel between sales manager and production manager, the strike by worker, should we record these also in the books? No. We have to record only those transactions which are related to money, which can be expressed in money, which are having financial character. So all those transactions which can be expressed in money, like wages paid, salary paid, purchased goods, sold goods, it can be expressed in terms of money. These are called financial transactions, and we should record only the financial transactions. The attributes, the things which cannot be expressed in terms of money, will not be recorded in the books. Then interpreting the results. Finally, when you will make the account, then you will find out the profit and loss, then you will interpret the result, you will communicate the result to the various parties, to the management, to the owner, to the labor, so that they can get the information about your business. So this is what about accounting. Now we talk about the characteristics of accounting. First characteristic is accounting is an art as well as science. Accounting is an art. Why? What is an art? Whenever we want to achieve the predetermined purpose of any work, this is called art. When we present the information in tabular form, when we present the information in perfect form, this is called art. So accounting is also an art because we have to present the information in table method, tabular method, and we have to do this with some principles. We have to follow some rules, and you know that the rules are to be followed in science. So we can say that accounting is an art as well as science. Understood? Next is recording. I told you that we have to record only the financial transactions. We have to record in terms of money. We cannot express in quantity. Then we have to classify the result in different nature items, and then we have to find out the profit and loss. So it was meaning and characteristics of accounting. Okay.